found a unicorn at Hermes the other day. If you saw my shopping video, you might know which one I'm talking about. Let me show you which one it is. Is Pampa by Jean De Fougerolle. Why is this a unicorn? This is a size 70 washed silk, and it may be dip dyed. I have never seen that combination before. This washed silk version did come in one other color, which was this really pretty gold beige. I love washed silk for the flowy casual vibe. It's just really easy to wear and looks very effortless. When I did this scarf in Sex and the City, a lot of you were into the gaucho. That was the name of this scarf, and that is also what this one depicts. There are some of the pattern details here, and you can see the gauchos there. Corner just here. All the corners are a little bit different. This pattern first came out in 1998 and then was just released. It also was released in a not washed silk. One of the reasons why I was so surprised about seeing this in the store was that online it doesn't say anything about it being a washed silk or potentially a dip dye. Excited to discover that when I was in the store. So here is kind of how it looks on.